yes, Outre. All that I could say is yes, Outre. I mean, I gotta say, this about to be my go-to everyday hair because it's giving what? Giving me what I need.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Away, away, away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. I can't stand the rain against my window. Pain. I can't stand the rain against my. Life is an illusion, you been living in a lie. Life is a confusion, you don't even gotta try it. All you do is wake up just to wake up and get high. All you do is make up just to break up and to cry. Why even deny it? Push it to the side, yeah. I know why you're hiding, sipping till you're dying. So you roll and take control, I know you're tired of trying. So just sort of play a role you know you wasn't buying. What do you believe in? You believe in people changing like the frequency of seasons. Searching for a purpose is worth it for a reason. Do you believe in? What do you believe in? All you ever wanted was the money and the power. Louder, louder. Now you feeling haunted cause the money got you sour. Louder, louder, sour, sour. Getting high for hours. Never coming down until you drown inside the power. Now you want some uppers cause the truth is you're a downer. Nothing but a sucker cause the proof is you're a coward. Serving you these true pills and I know they're hard to swallow. You can hate me now but I'll be back again tomorrow. You can thank me later when you're done drinking your sorrow. You can thank me later when you're borrowing my motto. What do you believe in? You believe in people changing like the frequency of seasons. Searching for a purpose is worth it for a reason. Do you believe in? What do you believe in? Away, away, away.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new Outre unit. This one is from the 360 Frontal Lace Wig collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Sunniva and the color number 2. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So this unit does also come with a pre-attached elastic band as well to give you that additional security. It does come with 13x6 HD lace parting space. It is pre-black tiny. It does got baby hairs and all of that. Honey, honey, honey. Let me just pop in real quick and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. And so like I said, honey, you do get that 13x6 parting space, and since it is 360, it does also have the lace that goes around the nape area, so you can throw this one up into a ponytail if you feel the need to. So the texture on this, honey, yes, it is yucky. You see this thickness, you see this fullness. This is sitting at least 150%, maybe 180%. Like, this density is giving me everything I need. The hair quality is giving me everything I need. The texture is giving me everything that I need. Now the length on this one, y'all, is definitely on the longer side. It comes like just to my butt. I am 5'3" for reference. Let me just give y'all a quick length check. So as y'all can see, this definitely is a longer unit. As far as the quality and everything is concerned, I do think if I were to cut this one down a little bit, I can definitely make this one last a good amount of time. So the cap size on this one, y'all, I'm definitely pleasantly surprised. It's coming off small, medium, and definitely big head friendly, which I feel like I ain't getting a lot lately. But this one definitely is big head friendly to the point where, y'all, this is fitting perfectly on my head. I did go in and adjust the straps as tight as they can go, and it's fitting me the way that I need for it to be. Like, fitting me, it is giving me what I need for it to be giving me. It is giving me the scalp action that I need. It is giving me the security that I need. This unit's cap construction is the GOAT. Like, when I'm looking for a straight unit, this is what I want. I just want it to be quick, easy, effortless, beautiful, laid and slayed, and that's it. So now we're coming to the point where I'm going to jump into the cons and the pros. And as I was rambling, there ain't no cons I could say that I have with this unit, aside from maybe we wish the price was a little bit cheaper, but I could see why they're charging the price that they're charging for this unit, because like the quality I gotta say, the quality is kind of what I'm looking for. It's giving what it should be giving. Let me just pop right into the pros for y'all. The fact that you get that 13x6 parting space, you can do multiple styles with it. Like the look, the density, the quality, the texture, the hairline, the ease. This is beginner friendly. Like, of course, you don't gotta be like me. I always go through my baby hairs because I love my baby hairs. Like, that's it. I love my baby hair. So you don't gotta do that, but I did it. I mean, this is absolutely gonna be beginner friendly, y'all. I am so happy I picked this unit up. I am so happy I picked this unit up. Like, Outre, girl. I forever ride hard for Outre, and this is why. The quality speaks for itself, y'all. And I gotta say, if you pick this one up, I absolutely do not think you'll be disappointed at all in any way, shape, or form. This one is gonna be probably one of my top units of the year, to be honest, which was a little bit shorter because I'm not really one for the super, super long wigs. Like I said, you could cut it up some to get a longer lifespan. But honey, this is cute without doing too much. Like, honey, yes, Outre, yes, Outre. All that I could say is yes, Outre. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below, and the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.